window. And if you look at this, the diagram that we have here, it looks like this diagram here. And it looks like this machine. But then the window, you say it is used to convert drawing or images designed in 3D app to what 3D machine can understand. Okay? What do we mean by understand? I've told you earlier that this machine cannot work without 1 and 2 or 3 softwares. So this is one of them. The major function of this Cura application is to slice the object that you have designed, like that object that is being passed across. When you design it, you cannot just send the code. Okay, it's just like you want to cook yam. You know, you cannot just take the whole yam and drop it inside water. You have to cut it into pieces. So when you cut it into pieces, that's what we mean by slice. That you are slicing that object. So the same thing with this application. It will assist you to slice those images to layers. So that if this machine wants to print it, it will not just start printing directly. It will start from the lowest to the top. Okay. I've talked